How to fix WhatsApp camera zoom problem. What's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step method on how you can fix if you're having trouble with your WhatsApp's camera zoom. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp. And now if you want to access your camera, you usually have to tap on any chat. So if you want to send any photo or a message, you just simply tap on this camera icon here and it will open up your camera. But if you're having problem with the zoom, then what you can do is simply tap on this camera icon. Now you're just going to try to zoom in with your finger right here. You can tap on this 1x to zoom in. But if it's still not working, then what you can try to do is go back, go to your settings menu, or you can directly open up your WhatsApp settings from here. I'm just going to go back here, search for WhatsApp, and then simply tap on your WhatsApp icon. Now click on permissions. So you'll just have to make sure that your camera permission is allowed. If it's not working, then you can just tap on turn off the permission and turn it back on like this, and then refresh the app. And one more thing you have to notice is if your WhatsApp is up to date or not. So simply head over to WhatsApp on Play Store and search for it. And if there is an update button here instead of open, you're just going to go ahead and update the app and you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.